We're back again. AUDUSD. I will be covering some other pairs later on today. But as a reminder, if you put in the comments anything you'd like me to do an analysis video on, I'll make sure to get that done by the end of the day. Multiple time frame setups. I'll apply Elliott Wave counts as well as markouts. Maybe say support, supply, and resistance. Support and resistance zones, supply and demand zones. Wyckoff accumulation, the general direction per time frame, all of the good stuff. Anyway, we're on AUDUSD right now, and I'm looking to buy. I'm looking for a buy on AUDUSD. My count is 1, 2, 1, 2, looking for 3 to the upside. This is the daily time frame. What we've done so far is after this impulse, so after this move down, inducement higher, swipe the lows, break higher, break external structure to the left side, and this is confirmed as a zigzag now. Yeah, here's a counter wave trend against the real trend. We've got a 1 and a 2. Twos do give you back like similar 5-wave moves sometimes, but we've confirmed it as a zigzag now. So that's corrective, that's impulsive. We're looking to go higher. Price has come and swiped. We've come down in ABC, swiped the last low. I do believe this candle is set to go higher to today's daily candle. We'll go to the 4-hour. What we do have right now, and the day opened here. The clocks have gone forward in New York. So where the market would have at 10 would have opened and closed, or closed and opened at 10 p.m. UK time, it's now 9. So this is the candle. This candle right here, this doji, is your opening candle. We swiped the low, or we induced higher, swiped the low, came up, closed above. This is a correction which I'm expecting will end with price going higher. I do not expect to take out the low. But I'll put on the count, sorry. Okay. We're in a corrective channel, breaking above the channel is a confirmation we're bullish. We've got a little OB in here. You can see there's an OB in here. So we swiped the low, engulfed it. Definitely a very bullish characteristic. We swiped my inefficiency that was here on it's a smaller time frame inefficiency that I'd been looking at. We even manipulated the 618, but that 618 is drawn from the potential 2-wave, which we know is not a 2-wave anyway. I don't believe it's a 2. Oh, it's a 2-wave, but this is not a 4th wave for that 2-wave because it takes too much time, too many. It's too big. It's not. It doesn't have the right look. We can't have a 1 candle push down for 2, and then I don't know about 20 candles for the 4th wave. So there's a lot there. There's a lot there to suggest that we're going higher, and we're going to continue to go higher. Move down to the 1-hour time frame. When's this news? 2 o'clock. Okay. So I'll be aware of where price is when we reach 2 o'clock. You can see how we have accumulated here. Manipulate the lows, took lows, juice higher, took lows, juice higher, took internal lows this time, preserved that low, broke structure and closed above inside this imbalance fair value gap over here. Came up impulsive. I'm expecting 1, 2, and 3. So not yet, but soon. Expecting price to go higher. We could be taking buy positions off of this OB. It's a bullish order block. I can get rid of this inefficiency now, man. I need to start working with cleaner charts, man. Don't need that OB. The OB is here. Got an inefficiency here. Doesn't matter. And hitting this 618. Let me just put on the 50. Wouldn't be surprised if we have price giving us funny moves around the 50. So, okay, let me put the indicators on quickly. So we reached the 50 MA, we went above it, currently rejecting it. I believe we're coming down for a two wave. Gone down below the 50 static, so there is momentum to the downside. If we see this turn around and come back up and close above the 50 static, that's another indication to buy. Obviously, another move above the 50 EMA with a close is another indication to buy. Let's get to the 15-minute. Like literally, the way I see this is, if you're prepared to put your stop loss there, you could start buying. But I definitely expect price to come down a bit lower before. So there's no, I won't be buying yet. I won't be buying yet. Price might come down as far as here. This what I'm waiting to see now is, look, let me just put a count on here. Just so that over here is something. Yeah. 1, 2, or AB. I don't believe we have that free yet, and we'll get into it quickly. So that's going to be a bigger time frame, higher time frame degree. In here we can go 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 1, 2. I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that's it. So that'll be a 1, 2, and this is all 3. 1, 2. Then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, and 4. And then 5. Right, give me a sec. Right, we've clarified the higher degree with the lower degree. This better be a diag. Yeah, I think it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Otherwise, you have an 88.6 touch here. So yeah, this would be a diag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a 1, 2, 3, 4. So we do have another 1, 2, huh? 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, no, that's it. Cool. Sorry, a bit ill and just woke up. Definitely looking for the buys here. Just trying to give you a great area to buy from. If you've done your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we're looking for this here. Okay. So price cannot touch this 618 if this is a fourth wave. So price might actually be looking to go up now, right now. We might manipulate the 50 and then go up, but we might touch the daily open, which is exactly where our OB is. Look at that. The yellow line is the daily open. I think we've trapped people below the daily open. We might come and tap the daily open and go higher, or make a move near to it and then go higher. Either way, this is an internal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we're looking at to complete this 3, which, to be honest with you, would be considerably higher than there anyway. You can use the Fibonacci extension from the bottom of 1 to the top of 1, so beginning to the end of 1, put it down to 2 to project where 3 would be. We look for 3 to end above the 1.618, anywhere above it. Not the reason why I stress above it is because you can sometimes get C waves that will come to the 1618. Rare, but no, they're not that rare. They're not even that rare, but it's a lot less common for a C wave to reach the 1618 than say for a wave 3. So yeah, 1618 lines up perfectly with the trend line with the channel. So we'll get, that's how we can see we want to go higher than that. Get above it, manipulate, pull down, continue higher, that type of move there. So yeah, um, I'm literally waiting for price to just swipe a low and come back up. This is what I'm looking for to jump in a buy. And mind you, it could be buying now. All right. So look, we'll do this. If price was to come up here now and break this line, I'll just buy it and put my stop loss here. I think price is going to do something like this though. We'll see. No, let's go on. I'm gonna have to check the smaller time frame. I might be just guessing too hard. Well, yeah, maybe not. Maybe not. I just bought a position. Why did it not make no noise? Okay. I've just entered the buy. I've just entered the buy. I know what I'm risking. I know that this OB here should hold. No reason why it shouldn't hold. So my stop loss can go below there. Basically at the daily open. Um yeah. I'll update you as price progresses. This could easily be a trap. We can quickly swipe the low and then go higher. In fact, the more I think about it, the more I think it might be. But if we get above this, then there's no worries there. Because this in itself should probably be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 move. But as you can see, 3 would be considerably shorter than 1 if that is a 2, 3. So 4, 5 would be even smaller. I'm not worried about any major type of downside. Sorry, excuse me. It's bullish. AUDUSD, in my opinion, is bullish. I think we're at a great place to buy now. As you can see, we came into the price territory of the prior one. So it's either we're looking at a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leaving diagonal. Yeah. So in that sense, this would be like this. This would be like this. This would be here. The fifth wave would end up having to be shorter than the third wave. And this is already not ideal because the third wave is longer than the first wave. And expanding diagonals are rare. But in contracting diagonals, you can get the third wave longer than the one wave. Preferably, it doesn't happen though. So far, this is the best count. And I'll update you soon, man. Please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know of any pairs that you'd like me to do a video on, and I'll get to them straight away. Thank you very much.